Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we're going to take a look at the Milwaukee 21 degree framing nailer. So guys, the first thing I'm going to say is I do like battery powered nailers, but when it comes to my framing nailers, which I go up to a 3.5 inch, which this will do, this will go between a 2 and a 3.5 inch nail. I like the pneumatic and I like quick connects. I'll put those in all of my guns. So I still use my pneumatic tools because I just don't think that the battery powered are quite up to speed yet to keep up with a fast production type setting. So some of the things I do like about this is going to use the plastic colligated nails and their full head. I do like that. They're the 21 degree. Actually, it goes 20 to 21 degree, but almost everything you're going to find is going to be in a 21. How you load the gun is you're going to actually take the nails. They're going to come just like this. There's the plastic I was talking about. These are about 3-inch nails. And you're going to put this into the back of the gun just the way that they're going to feed into the front of this. You have a pin that shoots down and hits and knocks these things through. So make sure the point is further out and away. Do not do it like this. Believe it or not, it happens a lot of times, especially with new people who are not used to using these, and they will jam this up and you'll have to take it apart with all these little set screws and get it cleared out. Not a lot of fun. So take it, turn it over, and you are simply going to start it right here. Get it started, and then you just pull this lever back and it locks into place. That quick, it's up and running. Hook your hose up. Make sure that when you're loading that you unhook the hose. Safety should always be first. I do like the handle, so if I'm working on rafters and all, I can hang this. This even comes with a little clip where if you're trying to shoot shingles, you can use this as a shingle gun, even though I would never do that. I have shingle guns, so I removed that. I don't use it. But it is a possibility if you want this to do double action. You'll set your triggers here, whether it's going to be auto or single fire. So you'll set that. And I can show you, if you can kind of see, you can see the very front one is going to have the single. So if I go to that, I am going to be in single fire. You have to push down, rotate over. Now I'm at single fire. So every time I pull the trigger, I'm going to shoot just one nail. If I push down and go back here, if you can kind of see right there, it's 3 little nails, which means that now when I pull the trigger, it's going to shoot 3 times. So I always keep mine in single fire. I like that a little bit better unless I'm doing a whole bunch of production and I'm moving really quick. Then I may go ahead and put it on rapid fire. One of the other things I do like about this is I can move the air. This shoots the air out as you're firing. So if I'm firing towards me, I don't want the air facing towards me this way. I want the air away from me. So that's another great feature. So there you go, guys. Overall, the Milwaukee 21-inch framing nailer pneumatic is a great tool to have. So if you're doing a lot of framing, get yourself one of these. You won't regret it. We will see you guys on the next one.